guys, welcome to my second vlog and today is day 3. We're going to Taipei. Last year when we went here, we only explored Kaohsiung and right now we've decided to explore Taipei too. You have two options to go from Kaohsiung to Taipei, which is to take the bus or to take the Taiwan High Speed Rail or the THSR. So if you take the bus, it's a lot cheaper than THSR, but the travel time is around 5 to 7 hours. For us, since late na kami nagising, we chose the THSR and it's comfy naman sa loob. And nakarating kami in just 2 hours kasi 1:30 umalis yung bus and at around 3:30 nasa Taipei na kami. After we've arrived at Taipei, we just took a cab kasi marami namang nagsasakay around that area. Yung hotel pala na nakuha namin is Star Ximen. So, nandoon siya mismo sa Ximending. And we chose this hotel kasi nasa Ximending na siya mismo and very accessible siya sa lahat. So, pagbaba namin, literal na night market na. So, if ever magutom kami, bababa lang kami. And after we've checked our hotel, we've decided to rest a little bit and explore the Ximending night market a little bit. So after we've familiarized ourselves here sa Ximending night market, we've decided to hop on to another night market which is the Shilin night market. So sumakay lang kami ng MRT to go there. And pagdating namin doon, napansin agad namin yung dami ng tao na nakapila dito sa specific store na to. And pagtingin namin, ito pala yung Hot Star Fried Chicken which is yung extra large fried chicken na isa sa sikat din sa Taiwan. After we've lined up for 30 minutes or so, we're finally able to buy 2 Hot Star Chicken. Tig-isa kami, isang spicy and isang hindi. And guys, I tell you, the villa was worth it kasi it was so delicious. Actually, isa to sa regrets ko, yung hindi makabili ulit ng Hot Star Chicken before umuwi. After that, nag-stroll ulit kami inside the Shilin night market and yung sunod naming nabili is the Taiwanese pizza. So, basically, parang meron lang siyang balot na pork na may egg din sa loob. It was also delicious. Then, we stumbled upon this toy pet store and nakabili naman kami ng isang toy for Apa. Third food na kinain namin is this one, the infamous peanut ice cream roll. So, isa lang siguro sa regret ko dito is pinalagyan ko siya ng cilantro. I learned that cilantro is not for me. Pero guys, masarap siya. Guaranteed din na kada order, dun pa lang niya ginagawa which makes it more special kasi nakikita mo na ginagawa mismo sa harap mo. The next thing that we bought is the pork pepper bun. Tig-isa kami. And we also bought a drink. Di ko na lang na-videohan. It's called Ayu Jelly and it's so refreshing. The last thing that we bought before going home is tanghulu. We're now back at our hotel, so let's get ready with me. So, it's 10:09 p.m. Tama ba? 10:10. 10:10 p.m. And we're now resting. So, we've already unpacked. Actually, we've unpacked pagdating pa lang ng hotel. So, quick hotel tour after mag-settle. Ayan.
May TV naman. And ito yung labahan, of course. Our luggage. TV. Yung aircon. It's called JC drinking his Ovaltine. Which is yung water niya. Water. Sobrang hilig niya. Kung ano-ano lang. Trash can. Tissue nasa baba. Kasi nag-charge kami kanina dito. Pero dito talaga yun siya. Chargers. Key card for hotel. Anything lang. And then this, I always bring linen spray kapag di kami sa bahay matutulog. Kapag staycation or vacation. Kasi gusto ko mabango yung hihigaan. Tsaka hindi mo naman alam kung mabango yung hihigaan or not. Actually, nagulat kami kasi dalawa pala yung bed ng hotel. Kala namin isa lang. So, itong isa, ayan, lagayan ng mga gamit. Siyempre, ganun. Isa higaan, isa lagayan ng gamit. So, dito nakalagay yung bag, camera. And dito yung ref. So, ito mga food na galing sa night market. And ref. Yan, we've got ice cream. I bought the Belgian chocolate and the mango. Nakain ko na yung mango. Bawas na yan. Water. Ovaltine. Ito hindi ko pa ito natitikman. So, I'll try that tomorrow. Busog na ako. Coffee. If you guys are going to Taiwan soon, try nyo to. Meron din nito yung orange yung takip and white yung body. Latte naman siya. I prefer this one kasi mahilig ako sa matapang na coffee. So, sobrang sarap nito. Yan. And then, of course, Yakult. Hindi mawawala yan. Ayun. And then, this one, meron silang initan ng tubig. Ito binili namin to. Pero ito, yan, dalawa tong complimentary water nila. Yung isa nasa ref. And then, meron din silang complimentary coffee and tea. I'll try this tea. Siguro ngayon, before matulog. And then, of course, ito binaon ko tong salon pass na to. Binaon ko yan. Ng mga tita. Siyempre, as a tita. And then, ito is massage cream. Kasi siyempre, pag vacation, diba? Lakad-lakad ng matindi. So, sasakit ang mga kalamnan. As a tita. And cotton buds, of course. Nagbaon din ko nito. Of lotion. Extra wipes. And then, this one. Ito dito ako tuwang-tuwa. Kasi, it's a health kit. So, kompleto na yan. Mga Alaxan, Regesic, Decolgen Diatabs, Cranil S, and Tusalan. So, just in case lang naman. So, kasi prepared, lalo na sa ibang bansa ka, may language barrier and di mo naman masasabi basta-basta yung bibili mong gamot. So, eto, mga pabango lang. This is mine. Also mine. Card reader for the Digicam. Eto, nag-charge ako ng power bank. Hindi ko siya puno. This one is makeups. This one, extra phone cases. And then, actually, yung hotel meron silang pa-blower. Yan. So, may blower na nandito sa hotel. Itong pangkulot, syempre, dala ko na yan. And then, ito mga damit namin na inalis sa luggage para madaling kunin. Ito yung BBS. Ito yung mga bags, pang hand carry na pwede din i-check-in kung susobra. And then, they also have this rack, coat rack. So, dyan yung mga jackets namin kasi medyo malamig ngayon sa Taipei kasi winter sa kanila. Ayun lang. CR. Ito. Yan. Toothpaste, toothbrush, shampoo. Mga pang skincare. It's me.
And we're now on day 4. So today I've decided to take a morning walk around Ximending and also to try to find the famous scallion pancake, which is a famous breakfast around this area. So let's go! So, isa sa maganda dito sa Taiwan is meron silang mga themed na 7-Eleven. So, isa sa pinakasikat is the Sanrio themed. And while I was walking around Ximending, I saw this lace-themed 7-Eleven. Pero hindi na ako nakapasok kasi hinahabol ko yung scallion pancake. Baka humaba yung pila. So, I was able to locate tatay naman na nagtitinda ng scallion pancake. So, located siya dito sa may 7-Eleven na may Starbucks na katabi around Ximending area. Finally, I was able to buy 3 scallion pancakes for our breakfast and I've decided to go to Watson's kasi nakalimutan kong magbaon ng lotion and sobrang lamig sa Taipei, nagda-dry na yung skin ko. And guys, sobrang daming sale dito sa Watson's nila like the Fino hair mask that you're seeing which I use for more than a year na kasi sobrang ganda sa hair. If I remembered it correctly, nag-hoard din ako last year nung pumunta ako sa Taiwan. I think I bought 5 or 6 kasi ganun nga siya kaganda sa hair. Especially nagkukulay ako ng hair ko. So, nagulat din ako dito sa Watsons kasi ang laki and ang lawak niya. I think parang hanggang third floor yung Watsons nila dito. And there are so many items to choose from. Parang kumpleto. Parang na siyang grocery. Ganun yung, yung level. And also one thing that I noticed is sobrang daming contact lenses na binebenta dito, graded or not. Like, ang laki nung section nila for contact lenses. After Watsons, I've decided to go back to our hotel since we still need to prepare kasi marami-rami kaming items sa itinerary namin today. First item on our list is the Pop Mart here in Ximending. Actually, wala akong nabili dito kasi I'm not really into this kind of stuff. Hinanap ko lang talaga yung friends na Pop Mart but unfortunately wala akong nakita. And syempre nag-ikot-ikot na rin kami to see kung may magugustuhan si JC. We were also amazed kasi ang laki talaga ng Pop Mart dito. If I'm not mistaken, hanggang 3rd or 4th floor yung Pop Mart dito. So yung mga mahihilig sa toys here sa Pop Mart, heaven sa inyo to, promise. After that, we rode an MRT going to our next destination, which is the Maukong Gondola. Random fact about JC is he's afraid of heights. Yes, you heard it right. My 6'2" boyfriend is afraid of heights. Kaya naman sobrang appreciated ko siya sa moment na to. Para lang masakyan yung trip ko kasi nga isa sa bucket list ko is makasakay sa cable car.
Yeah.
Wala pa!
Okay, good. That's it.
Yeah.
Okay.
So, nung mga unang minutes, medyo natatakot pa si JC, but as the ride goes on, na-enjoy na din naman niya, and sana nabawasan na rin yung fear of heights niya. The view was great, guys, kasi sa isang side, makikita nyo yung parang city. May point pa na natanaw namin yung Taipei 101, and merong isang side na tanaw nyo is yung nature lang or yung mga trees lang. By the way guys, we paid ours using our Easy Card, but you can also book via Klook, baka maka-discount pa kayo, or you can also pay via cash or card. And then, papipiliin kayo if mag-upgrade kayo from regular to Crystal Cabin, just like what we did. I think need lang mag-add ng 50 NTD per person. So, ang difference lang na nakita ko is yung flooring ng Crystal Cabin is clear. And I think mas malaki din siya compared sa regular kasi may kasama kaming iba. And it's for sharing daw talaga. And we were also shocked kasi ang tagal namin sa loob ng cabin. Like 30 or more than 30 minutes kami sa loob. So sobrang worth it niya, guys. After our Maukong Gondola ride, we headed to this tea house coffee shop that is famous for their green tea ice cream. Of course, we have to try it. Yay! Thank you. Oh guys, wait. Look, it's cute. Mine is green tea, and his here. It's against the light. Our next destination is the Taipei 101, but hindi kami papasok sa loob. Actually, dapat magdi-Din Tai Fung kami, but unfortunately, sobrang haba ng pila, so we decided to postpone it. We then just rode an Uber going to Takemura Izakaya, and unfortunately, hindi na ako nakapag-video doon kasi nag-picture lang naman kami. This is the famous street wherein you'd have a good view of Taipei 101. After that, we decided to go to Hooters kasi may reservation kami ng 4:30. And we decided to walk, pero wag nyo nang subukan kasi ang layo niya. But hindi naman namin yun pinagsisihan kasi guys, ang sarap maglakad dito around this area kasi kahit saan tanaw mo yung Taipei 101. We have finally arrived here at Hooters, which is a resto bar that offers indoor and alfresco dining. And when we went outside, all I can say is the view was phenomenal. Sobrang ganda ng view ng Taipei 101 dito. And I suggest lang guys, if you're planning to go here in the future, mag-book kayo ng around 4:30 or 5 p.m. para maabutan yung sunset and yung pagsindi ng ilaw sa Taipei 101 so that you'll get to experience the sunset and the city lights at the same time. I will just insert our picture nung gumabi na kasi I wasn't able to take a video kasi kumain na kami. And here's everything that we ordered. I think naka 1,200 NT kami for that. Pero hindi naman namin siya naubos kasi generous yung serving nila. After that, we rode an MRT again going back to Ximending and we've decided to try the famous milk tea which is the Xingfutang. Their milk tea was nice and lasa mo talaga yung tea and it's not too sweet. We explored Ximending Night Market and we also tried this photo booth for just 100 NT.
Bara. Katsa.
And that concludes our 3rd and 4th day here in Taiwan. See you on our next vlog and thank you so much for watching. Bye!